Hi, my name is Hilson. Welcome to Database Structures Screencast. Today I will be demonstrating how to how to connect a website to the database using PDO. Basically, there are two ways that I know of connecting a website to the database. You can use MySQLi or PDO, which is the one I'm using. PDO, there are like basically 12 different database systems you can connect to. MySQLi, you can connect to the MySQL database. Let's get started. So here I have created a simple form which will submit the information to the database. And in my database, I have the information, the table setup, username, password, and so on, first name, last name. I only have one record in here for now. So let's try and submit this form. So yep, we have just registered. So now let's put in our authenticate. And now we have logged in, we're able to see our image and so on. So if I go back to the database and refresh, there I am, the new user which I created with a profile photo and all the information. So now if I go to the dashboard, I can basically see all the users in that users table, and I have set up basically a CRUD type application where I can update username and stuff, or I could delete the user. So if I update any information, say I wanted to update his information to Alwyn, his username to Alwyn, and I save that, and I go to my database, refresh that, his username updated to Alwyn, so that's good. And if I wanted to delete Alwyn, I just delete right here, and I go to the database, refresh, and his record is deleted. So let's take a look at the code for this. So first, when I register, I am connecting to the database with the PDO. This is where I connect to the database. So this is where I set my username for the database, the password, and this is my PDO statement, which has my database name, the port I'm hosting it on, and the host, which is localhost. And this is where I am inserting into the users table. So this I'm inserting username, password, and so on, profile photo. We use the prepare statement, which I just learned, is used to basically prevent SQL injections, and also the bind params is also used to prevent SQL injection because it binds that particular username to, or the input field username to the username. One other way you can also prevent SQL injections is to use form validation. In my update information, whenever I update a user, this is my SQL statement. So I'm updating the user first name, last name, and so on. So I'm preparing this update set users, and whatever I enter, it's going to change in the database. And whenever I delete a user, I'm deleting from the users table where by user ID. So I'm selecting by user ID to delete, and this is basically what I have for this CRUD application. So I hope you enjoyed.